Oh my gosh.
Oh Lord.
You put that on in the wrong time.
I thought you were just about done.
She's dancing like a stripper. Hello, kitty cats. Welcome back. Today, we're doing our Ipsy bags. Now, who's gonna start first today? How about you, Bianca?
Okay. I'm not Bianca, but...
Shut up, you're Bianca.
Am I going first?
Yes, you're going first.
Okay.
I'm just opening the bag.
Alright. So, these bags are like this dark green color, which is nice for fall, but it's not fall yet. I think it's weird that they're putting these out in August. No. It's not fall till September 21st. So September would be fine, but for August, I think dark green is kind of weird. But you know what? You can use whatever colors you want all year round. I just personally do not care for dark green in August. And I love greens on my eyelids. This would be a very pretty eyelid color. I don't know why she's doing that. She's just being weird.
So lovely.
And I had bought an extra, like you can buy little extra samples now. And I bought like an extra $3 sample.
I did too, see?
They gave her crab. So
That sounds
they gave her crab.
horrible.
Ipsy gave her crab.
Oh
This is not a good
no.
situation.
This is not a sponsor.
No, this is not sponsored at all.
That would be horrible.
I don't think they would like that. I cannot get this
Here,
plastic off
on
the
the
side.
news, Ipsy gives someone crabs.
You need the scissors? I love tiny scissors. You got it?
I made nails. I have nails, I think. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't have nails, Mom. I can't show off.
I'm sorry.
It's
that you
okay.
feel this way.
Whoa, those are some tiny scissors.
Yeah.
Are they made specifically just for that?
Baby.
I better get a new brush.
You better.
I better. Or I'm suing Ipsy
Okay.
for giving me
So
crabs.
the name of this color is Peach Parfait. It's from Pixie.
Does it smell like peach parfait?
It's so pretty. Look at that blush.
It's blushy. Now smell it.
Ooh. It does not smell like Peach Parfait.
That's.
I'm sorry if that disappoints you.
It does. I hope I don't get this.
It's really shiny, almost like a highlight though. Like,
Somebody go get her. She's dancing
see it?
like a tree.
it's kind of shiny. Like, when you blend it out a little bit more, it's, yeah. It's a blush, but it's a very shiny blush. I might use it as a topper
I don't
blush.
think anyone's paying attention to you at this point.
And she's just being a pain today. Anyways, moving on.
There's a huge moth on the window.
Moving on.
Do you regret?
Did I get a card? Yay! It's telling me things. Yay! Makes me so happy.
I
Okay,
always wanted something to tell you things.
I did. The Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later face primer. Look at the size of this. This sample is too small.
Oh, that's a sexy sample.
That's a ridiculously. I'm really sick of like too tiny.
I'm glad we're not monetized.
Yeah. So, ooh, we went out of focus for a minute. Yeah, it's called Thank Me Later. It's mattifying face primer, whatever. I'm mad at the size of it. Like, they'll probably get used like twice.
It's like, you're mad at, never mind, I'm not gonna go there.
And I got this Luxie Beauty Periwinkle blending brush, which I'm super excited. I love Luxie. They're really nice and soft.
Can I feel it on my cheek?
No.
No, just.
Oh my god, there's something really wrong with her.
Hi, I'm Peppa Pig.
Anyways, so yeah, we got this.
You chose the right
I'm
day.
very happy about that.
You chose
Scissors
the
just
right
fell out of there.
day.
Oh, apparently I chose the wrong day.
No,
Um,
it's the right?
Papa Recipe Bamboo Honey Moisture Cleaning Foam. Now that's a proper sized sample in my opinion.
That's not a sample.
It doesn't like, there we go.
It agrees with me because it's not a sample.
It is
Maybe if I use some crab meat, I'll
Papa
pull it down.
Recipe. I'm gonna pull the little seal off here to try and smell it. It just
Can I
smells like
smell
soap. It just smells like soap. It doesn't have like any special scent.
I got high off of it. That's pretty
But
special.
I used up my 20 Moe peach
We do not
foam
do
wash.
drugs. Do not do drugs.
And next we get this. I'm actually really excited about this.
What is that?
It is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana body cream. Now it's not their like really famous bum bum cream as it's called, which is like
Bum
cracks.
bum cream?
Yeah, they have a cream that's called bum bum cream. And it's supposed to be like, but I heard that this was something that I might like the scent of as well. So I'm really excited to. But I have issues with the size of these.
Oh,
like,
it's creamy.
this is supposed to be body cream. Like, you're only gonna use this twice.
No, for me, it's just once.
Oh yes, it smells like she said. It smells like cookies.
It does.
I love it.
You know, this is gonna go down really
Oh my god,
fast.
how much is it to buy? Sometimes they have the
Definitely
price.
gonna buy more.
I'm sure it's super expensive because this company is expensive. from what I
Oh, she's
understand.
gonna buy it though. She's gonna spend her money on that.
No, I don't have the money. They didn't put the prices down. But anyways, Ipsy, you really should put the prices down too, so you know what the full size of these are. So I'm gonna check that out because I love the smell of this shit. I love things that smell like cookies. I think so. This is the last thing. Is the Suva Beauty eyeshadow in the color turmeric.
Not really a lot of stuff, I feel like.
Well, because I got the extra. I paid an extra $3 to get this.
Yeah, but I feel like there's not a lot of stuff.
Really? You get 5 things plus the extra. I got 6 things.
I don't
So.
know. I'm used to you getting more than me.
This is gorgeous. Like,
It's gold.
the color is called turmeric, but yeah, it's gold.
Isn't that what color turmeric
And
is?
I put it right on top of that blush, though. That was a mistake. Oh, that's so pretty, though. It's almost like a orangey gold, which would make sense because it's called turmeric. Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Now we ignore you for the rest of the video.
Okay, I'm getting ignored apparently.
I will do my bad.
Okay,
Since you claim that was your last thing,
it was
and if there's anything else in there, well, too late.
too late.
Oh, look at this. I got a fancy brush. It's
Ooh,
really
you got the
fancy.
same brush, didn't you?
No, mine's better.
That's an Luxie brush. It's the same brush.
You want to feel it?
Sure. It's very soft. They are. Luxie brushes are really, really
And now
nice
we
brushes.
go into the
She's gonna
bathroom.
go put it away.
Into my nice desk here. Yes, I have a desk now. It's amazing. Well, I had a desk, it just no one ever really saw it before. Ooh! Somebody come get her. She's dancing with a stripper.
I thought it was she's dancing like a stripper.
We got some more nail polish.
Yay!
Woo! Not my favorite color, but I will wear it.
I like the color.
I think it's supposed to be the same color as
Can I see
this,
it?
to be honest.
Yeah, it's like a gray-green, greenish gray. What's the name? It doesn't say. Is it Weekend Superpowers? Is that the name of it? I guess
Weekend Nails Ink Nail Polish and Weekend Superpowers.
Yeah, it's called Weekend Superpowers.
Professionally formulated vitamin-infused polishes
And
are
it's
beloved by artists around the world. This cool khaki, K-H-A-K-I,
I would not consider this a khaki at all.
khaki green,
Khaki. That's how it's.
khaki green shade
It's not.
is eye-catching and so
Whatever.
on trend. It's super glossy,
See this?
long-lasting, and shut up.
I'm trying to show it to them. but it's not working
because my face is more beautiful, long lasting, and ergonomically. Oh, excuse me.
Ergonomically.
Yeah, what she said. Designed brush makes it easy to apply. I am Tip: apply weekend superpowers in 3 stripes, starting from the left of your nail bed, then right, then center. Drag your brush across the tip.
Just the tip.
Just the tip of your nail to cap it off with color. Just the tip.
I really love this drink.
I'm glad I missed the camera. My mom just sponsored without even trying to sponsor.
Oh, I said hashtag not sponsored.
Even when you don't sponsor something, it ends up becoming a sponsor. Now, question is, isn't this the same? Yeah, it's turmeric. You guys don't need to see this again.
Yeah, it's the same color. Really? We usually do not get any of the same things.
Well, we didn't.
We got 2 of them.
We don't talk about this.
What is it? It's IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Hydro Plumping Skin Transforming Weightless Moisturizer. So this is a face moisturizer.
Oh, then I definitely
IT Cosmetics
give it
is
back.
a very good company.
You don't need to see it. I need it for my beautiful face.
You're supposed to clean your face before you put moisturizer on.
My face is clean.
And
then I got something that is...
Ooh, that's a big sample of something.
You wouldn't give me any of your brushes, so you don't get it. So yeah, take that.
Okay.
Mamacita.
Just tell us what it is.
No, you don't just... Okay.
This is an F-bomb.
You took my F-bomb. What is wrong with you?
Anything.
My friend got me that F-bomb. Fight me. Pore purifying.
What's going on? Pore purifying spirulina and tea tree clay mask. It's a nice clay mask. And it's a good sample size. She's just...
I'm hyper.
Yeah. Anyways, from BioRace. I never heard of them, but I bet this is good because spirulina is like good stuff for you. Is that it?
I don't know. Maybe you should check my bag.
The bag is empty.
Is it? Is it empty like me?
Our bags are empty. Our souls are empty. Do you want this bubble wrap?
I am organizing my things.
Do you want this bubble wrap though? Do you want to play with it?
Oh
yeah. When you get excited about bubble wrap.
I do.
So.
You see, there's so much bubble wrap that doesn't bubble wrap anymore.
So, which product that you got did you like the most? That you're the most excited about out of your lovely products? The brush?
Yeah, pretty much. It's always the brush.
It's really hard for me because I got a lot of good things.
I'm supposed to say all of them. It's not that hard to say all of them.
No, not all of them. I'm gonna say that I'm least excited about this face wash. Oh, and the primer. These 2 things I'm not that crazy about. Like, the primer we'll see. It's such a small sample. I think it's ridiculous. The face wash is a okay sample, but I like things to smell nice. I mean, it smells okay. We'll see how well it works. But I think I'm most excited probably for... It's a tie between the Cookie Body Lotion and this eyeshadow, because this eyeshadow looks glorious and she's so crazy. Like, I already know what I want to do with this. Like, I want to do like a dark green and some greens, and then put this like on the lid. I think it'd be so pretty, but yeah. Those are her imitation crab sticks. She really loves them.
Be good to yourself. Don't
And
put yourself
they
down.
have protein.
You.
Somebody's walking out there.
Shit.
I can hear them.
911!
Oh my god. Okay. Please. God. I understand if you didn't like this video as much as the usual ones.
No, I think they'll love this
I
video.
get it.
I think they'll love this video. They love it when I'm crazy, remember?
Oh dear God.
Remember the amount of likes you got from when I was crazy?
Just want this lollipop.
How old is it?
I don't know. It's a Dum Dum in orange. No? Okay.
This is a good enough lollipop for me.
Okay. So anyways,
Don't do it.
thanks for watching.
Don't do it.
Please share,
Don't do it.
subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And hit that bell twice if you want notifications. It really, really helps me when you share this video. And, you know,
Especially this video.
especially this video apparently. But any of my videos, if you share them, I really, really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. And there you go. So always remember to be kind, even when your child's acting like a maniac. Oh my God, you just touched me with seafood. That's gross. I love seafood, but not on my face.
You put it on your face anyway. Did you know some of the masks you have some sort of seafood involved in it?
I know that there's some with like snail stuff.
There's also clams in some of them.
What in one of them?
There's some clam one out there.
Really? I noticed that I have a donkey milk sheet mask and I'm afraid to use it.
Use it. It's not against the law.
No, it's just weird.
Have you ever heard doggy cheese? It's really good.
I've heard of it, but it's super expensive. So how did you get some?
They had samples.
Where?
It was a while back at the Heifer's Parade.
Oh, interesting. Because that stuff's like super expensive. I can imagine that they were very small samples.
They were.
Yeah,
They're like tiny little squares, like they're small.
that's actually kind of big.
Actually, hold on. There.
It's still kind of big.
You know what, Mom?
What?
I don't like your attitude. Goodbye, everybody!
I wonder how long she'll do that.